Okay, very good evening, friends. So this is Ritesh on behalf of Team Rhine. I welcome you all for today's session. Today we'll discuss about our team, what we are doing, how we are growing, and how somebody can be part of our team and we can grow together. So, here with me, Ron and Mukta, as I introduce you with them. So they would help me to take this session forward with you guys. So first question could be why Team Ryan? So we would be discussing, all these things in today's presentation regarding lead support, inventory support, multiple area of expertise within our team, regarding ISA support, telecaller for appointment setting, trainings, technology, dedicated team office, then in-house mortgage, property management, concierge services, and our achievement and our vision for this year, and about our splits, commission splits, and then the brokerage we work for. We'll take care of everything. We'll discuss everything. So, Ron, shall we move ahead?
Yeah, all good.
Okay. So, first thing, the strength of our team is generating leads. So we generate leads from all possible ways, whatever you can think of, right? Starting from Google PPC, BuzzBuzz, Business Exchange, emailers, cold calling, whatever you can think of, we generate leads. And this is a graph of our old CRM, which we have taken from last 1 year. So last year we generated close to 8,000 leads, and still we had by the end of year 3,300 lead, which nobody was following up. So we were short of people. That's what we are looking for, people who can work with us and who can follow up this lead. And last couple of months we are generating 1,200, and this month the leads are even more than already. We would crossing 1,500. So this is the number of leads we are generating every month. Ron, you want to add anything on the leads, about the lead quality, and what is your experience?
So leads we get are for different aspects. We have leads, I think, for all pre-construction, resale, businesses, land development, gas stations, even for convenience stores, whatever we want. And the best part is specifically for some projects, we have Ritesh has helped us, generate some leads that were specifically for certain properties and certain type of projects. So we have all kinds of leads with us.
Yeah. And in particular, guys, if you want to work on anything which is we are not generating, anyway we are working almost everything, but if you want to work on something which we are not working, we are ready to generate lead for that particular thing also. So guys, if you have any question, you can just type in Q&A box, and we will try to address in between wherever your question, we just type it down. But I think by the end of this presentation you should get answer to most of your questions. Okay, then we talk about our team website traffic. So if you talk about traffic last year, okay, last year we had around 4.2 million view. Gron, can you see my screen? This, I think, not visible, I guess. Let me just minimize it. So last year we got around 4.29 million views on our pre-construction website, and we have another website which is particularly for our team, which is for business, commercial, and residential. So there were 4,700 visitors on pre-construction website, and there were around 4,200 visitors, unique visitors on our website. So it is showing that we do a lot of marketing and all the traffic going to our website, and this eventually help our buyer and seller to sell. Like this help our team to get a lot of buyer lead, and this help our sellers to get a lot of direct buyers also. And then we move further. So now I would like to focus on the inventory stuff. So we have access to more than 50 builders, developers, and we have a dedicated person who take care of inventory for pre-construction. So in pre-construction, you just need to give us the worksheet, and rest we'll take care. And we have access to close to 1,000 yearly. We target to work on close to 1,000 inventory in pre-construction. Uh, this is the level of inventory we get, and also we work a lot of on exclusive deals, like a lot. We have a lot of exclusive gas stations, car wash, pizza store, convenience, grocery store, assignment, and lead land deals. So almost everything we cover, and within the team we try to make deals. Which actually Ron can give an example, because Ron has done two deal within the team, two different deal, both commercial within the team. Ron, can you explain how you did those?
So what happens in especially in commercial and now also in residential, because a lot of competition is there, and if you have good contacts with the agents who are selling the properties or commercial businesses, it's easier to make the deal. Ritesh and I closed one deal last week, and probably there is one more closing tomorrow. Both are for commercial businesses. And today only we put a gas station offer to one of our own team member, Javed. And so that's the benefit. We have a lot of inventory that is not online. For example, gas stations, we have 3 to 4 gas stations in West. If you try to find it on MLS, you'll not find it. And second is what kind of business, if, for example, if I have a buyer and there is no business available online, Ritesh tries, helps us to generate those business leads, which are seller leads. So we have sellers, agents on our side in the team, and we have buyers from our side only. So it's good to work with, members who have that kind of inventory.
Yeah. So after inventory, let's go further. So basically, we have a dedicated backend and marketing and admin team. So Mukta's example, Mukta is like one of our part of admin team. We have 4 people in our backend admin team. So these people, they design email, SMS, WhatsApp campaign for you. They make your life easy so that your time more on sales side and less on marketing and admin.
Ritesh, you're on mute, I guess.
Sorry, there was some problem with my internet connection, so everything is good, I think, guess now. Okay, so I was on marketing admin stuff. So we have 4 people team for our admin, marketing, and backend. So we help you to do all this stuff. We help you to offer preparation, uploading to Trap, help in backend deal paperwork, and help in like if you want to have your own team, if you want to attract more people, recruit, then we help you there also. So that's what we help you to make your life easy so that your time more on sales side, not on more on the backend side. So we have multiple area of expertise within our team. So we have people who are expert in pre-construction. We have people who are expert in resale, assignment, gas station, land. Say for example, we have a guy in land development who is having 12-year experience of land development. The gas station guy has having more than 20-year experience of gas station. So the idea is you are not losing any client. So if any client uh, goes out of your scope, we have another pod to catch that client. So you're not losing any client within the team. You have all the expertise, whatever possible in real estate, and you can take help from anybody and make the deals. Then this is a ISC support a thing which actually Ron is using quite well. So I would ask Ron to actually take on this slide and explain how this work.
Yeah, so we have a nice ISS support for each agent. I mean, if they want to use it. So a person sitting every day in a different country is calling on your behalf. So what I do generally is I try to explain him what kind of leads I want you to call and what kind of script I want you to follow. So I want him to qualify each and every person who is going to meet me on Zoom or physical meeting. So every day he sends me a report in the evening that he has made 50 calls and made 8 appointments. And out of these 8 appointments, what kind of appointments are there? So he gives me all the details. Not only that, he also confirms every day. If Ritesh will show the calendar of any person, so he
Yeah.
confirms all the meetings. Like 8 meetings are there. In the morning, he'll confirm that is this person coming or not, and he keeps on updating me. So that way, if I'm busy with closing deals with another customers or in the meetings, somebody else is taking care of calling, and that's a really good thing that we do.
And most important thing, we hire all these resources outside Canada, so they are very economical resources. They are not very expensive. We can get a resource somewhere from $600 to $1,000 at the most, and we set up the dialer, virtual phone number, and calling system for them, and we monitor their calls and tracking, and we qualify. So they qualify leads and fix appointments for salespeople. So we have this Setmore software where they put the appointment and maybe just like okay. So once we go to technology tool, then I think I would show them how exactly the system work. So this is about our technology. So we work we use a lot of technology. So we have one of the best CRM, that's KV Core. We have internal lead management nurturing system. I will show you how it work. We have cloud management based centralized listing management system. So we have all the recorded session of whatever meetings we are doing. Like this is the session we are doing, and there would be recording for this section also, which anybody can refer anytime. Uh, you have access to all team listing presentations. You have appointment management system, Setmore, as we discussed. So we have access to Blake Corey. So this guy is one of the coach on Craig Proctor's training system, Tom Ferry, David Knox, GoGo training system. You get access to all these trainings, access to multiple boards in Ontario, like Toronto Real Estate Board, Mississauga Real Estate Board within the team. and you get access to top listing portals for lead generation, dedicated team app, smart number, and I'll show you how this works. Every agent has a single website, and the open house personalized app website, clients for better control, and access to various video audio tools. I will have a look on everything how it works. So when we talk about training, so we had like we have every day morning we have training. So this was like one of the month we had every day we had some kind of training, business, pre-construction, residential, flipping. Almost each and every topic is covered. Is like if somebody joining as a new agent, they get all this training. Even you are old agent but you don't know about pre-construction, so you have that all the stuff to learn. And we have all this training recorded available in our drive, so you could access it anytime later also. So this is our training platform. So this is our David Knox top agent platform. So you get access to all this training material, personalized you by your name, username, password. So this is our office.
Ritesh, so do we need to pay for these trainings or it's included?
Yeah, all this thing is included. So I'll go to a slide where I will show the cost involved. So I will go in detail what exactly you need to pay, but yes, all the team resources are free. You're not paying anything. So this is our office, and we are registering this office as a branch office of the brokerage, and we are in process, so it should be done soon. So this would be a branch office of the brokerage, and we this is a dedicated office for our team. So you can use the business lounge, you can use the common area, and you can use the boardroom, meeting room, and our private team suite for your client meeting or your own stuff. So this is office is very close to airport, very centralized location, highway 401 427 intersection on Matheson. And we have a virtual suite in EXP Word. I'll discuss what is this EXP Word. So we have a virtual team suite there also. So we have in-house mortgage support by GNE Mortgage. So all the files are done in-house, and they support us very well in mortgage. Then we have tie-up with Almega Premium Property Management Services. So they give a referral bonus to us, and when we refer them client, and we do white labeling. So it means the your services goes by your name to the client, and you still make some money on that. So all these services we are providing from there. Then we have tie-up with MoveSnap. So all our agents, uh, they can refer any number of clients to MoveSnap, and they could help them for their moving concierge services, digital transfer of the services. This service sometime help you to get more buyer, and trust me, you get 5-star reviews once you give this kind of services to your buyer. So this help you to make your business more. Ron, you want to add something on this?
Yeah, especially if you're working with first-time home buyers, they don't know what to do after closing. They have no clue. So, and they will call you after the closing again and again for small questions. They are small for us, but not small for them. So if we have a dedicated person who is helping them after closing, they love this service, and I have used it, and I got a really, really good response from them. And they think that we have already paid for the service, and that we are doing. We are actually paying for the service.
So basically, normally if you go directly to them as a realtor, you need to pay 2,000 per person. But for our team, is free. If you join our team, you get this free, and you can refer unlimited client to these people. For you, it's free. Of course, we are paying for that. So these are our achievement. We have sold more than 100 units in last couple of months, and we have closed 6 gas station, 50 residential assignment, commercial land development opportunities, 10 plus businesses. So our GCI for 2020 was 3.5 million, and our gross sale was 150 million. We would discuss what you're planning for 2021 also. So Mukta, here you will get answer to your question. So there is no desk fees, no admin fees, no office fees, no team resource fees, and there is a technology fee we will discuss in the last when we talk about the brokerage. So that goes to the brokerage. But for team, every resource is free. You're not paying anything, and we have split up to 100%. So basically, if you have your own leads, you don't need any support. You keep 100%. Right now, say for example, you are making 5 deals a month or 5 deals a year. Whatever you're doing, you are doing yourself, so you keep 100%. You don't charge you anything. But if you give you leads, if you don't take our support, like inventory support we can give you, for example, for pre-construction, we have a dedicated guy for inventory, but you're not taking any of my time or your team leader's time. You get 75%, and 25% goes to the team. And it could be 50-50 if you think like there's a deal which where you need a team leader support. So that could be 50-50, but this is our internal split. Brokerage split would be over and above. We'll discuss that after this. So now before we move to the brokerage, let me show you our team resources, how it work and how they are. So we have our internal website for our internal team resources. So let me just give an idea of that. So this is a protected page. If only the people who are in our team, they can access this. So we have, all, when you join our brokerage, our team, this is the, is you get all the step 1, step 2, step 3, how you get all these steps are defined, what you're doing, when you're doing, everything is there. So this is onboarding, checklist. Then we have inventory summary guide. So this is a summary of inventory which we have in our within our team. So this include essentially the commercial business, all this commercial business, assignment, pre-construction. We have access to now. Let me show you, close to now, I guess 40, no, now 45 projects, close to development projects, land development, all the broker portals we have, and the paperwork, how you do it, like what paperwork to do for residential freehold sale, for business and everything. So you get all this access. Then you have, we on team onboarding status. So, and somebody, when somebody onboarded in our team, we, keep track of each and everything. When somebody joining, if they fill the form, whether they have got our access to our WhatsApp group. So we have a dedicated WhatsApp group where we have actually many WhatsApp groups. We have WhatsApp group for commercial business, pre-construction, everything. We have WhatsApp group. Then we have a team workplace group. Then we have Google group. In Google group, whatever email we send, there is a record for everything, and everybody in our team get emails. So like whatever email you get, so there is a record, you can go anytime and check. Then you have access to team of a backend website, which I'm showing you right now. And then you have access to, give me 1 minute, let me hide this. uh, then you have get access to, our team Google Drive. I show you what is our Google Drive. So we have all the listings there, all the folders there, pre-construction, business, commercial, all the listings are there. For example, in listing, if you go assignment, pre-construction, let's go to pre-construction, client information. If you go to low rise, all these folders, all these projects are there. So you want to take any example of any project, so all this further information is there by the builder. So we have access to KV Core. We'll discuss that. Then we have KV Core Team Plus, SkySlope. That's by our brokerage for transition management. Then this is the EXP backend Ontario website. So which is by way of brokerage. So all the resources uh, you get here. Then you have telelisting. So we give you access to telelisting where where you can get cold leads for calling. Then access to Ring Central. Then you access to Regis. So we have tie with Regis. I will discuss that. Then we get access to Broker Bay, Workplace, EXP Word. So see, so many things actually we give you access to, and we keep tracking what is you're getting, what you're not getting. So a lot of stuff actually you get access. Then we have general paperwork checklist. Then these are our WhatsApp groups, our Facebook group, and this is our appointment system. So I was showing you. So if you want to book appointment with anybody in our team, so somebody could go to this website, Setmore. Suppose somebody want to book appointment with anybody in our team. Say for example, somebody want to book appointment with Ron. So he can see their own calendar, which is available tomorrow, which slot is available, what is there. And now in the backend, actually our in backend actually our admin people, the ISC people, which I told, so they see the calendar of our people, and they book all this time slot for our people. So for example, if you go to backend, so our admin people see the calendar of our team, and they can book any appointment, Zoom, whatever, and so client get a notification, our agent get a notification, so they both know that this schedule is booked. So that's what we do. So we have access to all the team calendars. So for example, let me go to Ron calendar. So you can see his calendar. So tomorrow there is a meeting. Oh, sorry. So there are different meetings. This link to your Google calendar. So all these meetings and everything is there. So now this meeting, this meeting, this meeting, you see all these meetings are there. So that's how we can book another meeting, new meeting, Ron service, Zoom meeting. I would just put, nothing, and I will just continue it and put the name of the customer. So for example, this is the customer. I just save an appointment, it will be done. So both will get a notification. So very simple. Then we have our own lot of training. So our team, Ryan calendar, then Blake Corey, EXP Canada, EXP World training calendar. So a lot of trainings are happening on everyday basis. So whatever training you want, you can attend those training. We have almost 50 hours per week training. See, today so many training was there. Friday these trainings are there. Then next Monday you have seen how many trainings are there. See, so a lot of training happen, and same Black Quarry. So they do that's on trainings. So a lot of training. Then our team exclusive listing, which I show you just before. Then we have video recording to all the session
Ritesh,
actually.
just to add you on Blake Corey's part, Blake
Mhm,
Corey training is worth more than $15,000. And
mhm.
if you open the website, he will show you exactly what is the listing
Yeah,
presentation.
I would just show you after this. I would show you.
Okay.
I'll show them how the agent attraction or the top agent system work.
Okay.
Then we have our team internal, links and passwords for everything. So many tools, technology tools you get, and you can use them. Then you have backend. So this is our backend people who are doing what and how they are doing. So everything is there. You can talk. You know who's doing what and you to whom you need to contact. Then we have our tie-ups. I just discussed. Then we have EXP Ontario internal website, then our onboarding steps. So this is our top agent success manual, which Arun was telling. So we make a schedule for every agent for next 6 months schedule, what they need to do at what time. So this is the training system we give you. So let me just open this training system for you so that you understand what I'm talking about. Top. Why I'm not able to open it? Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So this is the training system we what Ron is telling you we give you. So everybody gets your own access, personal access. So this is kind of training you get. This is a Blake Corey. So you get your personalized. So so basically for new agent getting starting up, EXP onboarding, role plays, lead conversion, then marketing, how to generate new lead, Google Express lead, Facebook leads, everything. Then buyer agent training, then listing training, then listing presentation, then listing templates, all this thing you get. Then so this is a complete program, and here you get access to David Knox also. So say for example you want to see David Knox, so you get access to the complete David Knox training system also. See all the videos. So you get access to all David Knox system. So this is you get by your name, like it's a personal account you get, like I have got my personal account and you use that. So this is about training. I think we have covered what we give to our team. So now let's move to the brokerage. So we are the part of EXP Reality. So as you know, this company is one of the fastest growing company in this world as of now. This is a kind of technology company, and we should know about this company. This started in 2009 and now in 2020. So this company got listed to Nasdaq New York Stock Exchange in 2018. This company released their public shares in 2014. So we'll discuss about the shares. Uh, so right now the company, this is a little old slide, 1 month old. So now the company has more than 45,000 agents worldwide. So this company started operation. It was in the US, Canada. Now they are in 9 more countries, including India, Australia, UK, Mexico, South Africa, all this. And Lars Klusner, if somebody joined this brokerage last week. So the model is very simple. So this is a cloud-based brokerage. Like Blockbuster is replaced by Netflix, Circuit City is replaced by Amazon. So this is a kind of, instead of traditional brokerage, we have a cloud-based mechanism where everything is centralized. So what are the problem is a typical franchisee model. They're costly, lot of overheads, lot of things. In EXP, actually, you have live training system, real support system, cloud campus environment. We'll discuss that how it works. So as I show you, there are a lot of trainings. I just show you that. So 50 hours of training by EXP. Then you get a complete training system by our mentor Blake Corey. Then we have our own team trainings. So a lot of training actually. Then we have GoGo system. Then Mike Ferry, Tom Ferry. All these systems are also there, where you can learn. So they give you an opportunity. You might not have heard about. Ron, did you ever hear any brokerage give the ownership to the agents?
No, never. I mean, they just treat us as their agents. That's it.
As agent, because they consider as independent. But in EXP, basically they consider you owner. So whenever you do a transaction in EXP, they give you shares. Whenever somebody you sponsor do a transaction, you get shares. Whenever you hit the cap, yes, there is a cap. So after certain amount, when it goes to the company, you're not paying any commission to the company. You get 100% split. So whenever you hit that, you get shares. And once you hit the cap and you do certain number of more transaction, like 20 transaction, you get shares worth 16,000. Almost whatever you paid for a year, you get back. So company is rewarding you with the shares every time. And also there's an option you can get 5% out of your commission and get company share at 10% discount, which are Nasdaq listed traded company. And now why we are very particular about share, let me just show you. So share price when the company launched public share was 30 cent in 2014, and in up to 19 it was $11. Last year on 24th of December it was 76, and today I just take out the share price, it is 107. So you see the company growth 100 close to 30 350 times growth in just 5 years. 350 times growth. Company's market valuation is close to, I guess now, 7 billion. See, 7.54 billion. So you see the how the company is growing. This is last 6 months. It was in around some $20, and now it's close to 100. So 5 times in last 6 to 7 months. You can imagine the way company is growing, the way people are appreciating, the way investors are taking through this company. I think this is one of the fastest growing company. If you check any company in last 6 months, none of the company has gone 5 times of their base price, of their share price. And this is the exp word. I will explain in real way how it work. I will even show you the enterprise, the tools, in just couple of minutes. And then we have tie with Regis, so you can use any of Regis office all around the world. This membership you get with exp joining. So normally a agent pay 120 for this membership. Here you get in exp included in your package. I'll show you what is that. So basically we give you so many tools. I will show you what tools are, like Skyslope, Broker Bay, Telelisting, KV Core, so many tools. So everything included is just 139 per month. So that's the technology fees, no desk fees, nothing. And then there is a split of 80-20 up to 16,000. So once you reach 16,000, commission goes to the company. Then you hit a cap and you are not paying anything to the company going forward. So basically, that's the limit. Fund company money goes to company, and after that you get 100% of your commission. Also, if you do certain number of transaction, you get that 16,000 back in the form of share, as we discussed. So basically, if you're a top performer, you're not paying anything to the company, and if you're paying, there's a cap. Now what happened to the 16,000? So this money goes to the company, but what company does, they don't keep this money with them. They distribute between the agents. Those help each other. So for example, I bring Ron here, I sponsor Ron. So what company does, out of their 20%, out of company's 20%, not from agent. Agent get whatever they get. So out of company's 20%, company what does, if I sponsor somebody, company give me 3.5% of whatever business they do. Of course, they also pay 16,000 to the company at the most. From their 2800 goes to me. Then if suppose if I sponsor Ron, and Ron brings some other person, and that person brings some other person, so this can keep happening up to 7 level. Whosoever join is in your team, you make roughly 3.5 or 2.5%. Now Ron, you can compare this as a, starting your own brokerage. So if you have your own brokerage, normally the brokerage they keep 5%, and there are a lot of expensive. I don't think any brokerage make more than 2 or 3% on net on a transaction. Here actually you're making more than that, and you are kind of running a brokerage. In brokerage, agents actually don't bring other agents. So here the agents are also, to join exp you need a sponsor. So basically anybody who want to join exp, they need a sponsor, and the person who sponsor them are the sponsor, and they get some money, and this is for lifetime. So you can keep making this money for lifetime, and this money can go in 100,000, 200,000, 1 million plus, because this is the kind of power of networking. So up to 7 level you make this money. If you have any questions, of course you can write it down in your question box, but it's very simple. You help other people to grow, they make money, you make money, and this money coming from the company's part, not from the agent's part. Okay, so this is summary of the whatever we have discussed. Now before actually we move forward, let me just show you the system, how it work, how the technology and tools work. So first let me show you the internal system, our passports. Okay, So I would even show you the EXP word, how the EXP word is. So basically company give you a different word where you can interact with other agents, you can interact with company. There are auditorium, there are offices. So physically you need not to go to office. There is a virtual office stuff which company has created. So company has created this special software for us. So company done a lot of investment actually. Let me just show you the software. Let us just log in. Okay, and then we get access to, as I said, workflows by Facebook. So this is amazing. So all the companies linked to this, all the 45,000 agents are onto this. So this is similar to Facebook interface. Is different. Ron, if you have any question, if anybody has any question, now they can ask me, because we are ready to take all the questions, whatever they have. So this is similar to Facebook. Like in Facebook, you join Facebook groups, you have chat system, you have notifications, but this is only EXP agents are there. You want to talk to any agent, you want to see the hierarchy, you want to see what they are doing, what is happening in the company, you can join all these groups. Like for example, I need to talk to, this is the lady who take care of, all the documentation when somebody joins. This is the assistant to the province broker. So we are discussing about RICO application and all this stuff. So
Nitesh,
this is, yeah.
how do you check who is responsible for whom? I mean, if I have some problem with Skyslope or something else, whom should I contact?
Okay, so we have, if you see our Ontario, website, so internal website, let me show you that. So the accountability, who is doing what, you get, if you go to our, this is our again internal thing. So when you go to contact us, you see this is who is the management team, who is the province broker of record, who is your local broker. Like for Brampton, this guy is a local broker, and I had a couple of questions with, and he replied me. See, so I had a couple of questions how regarding representation of buyer sellers. He just replied me everything. See, and if I want to talk to this guy, I can just call from here, talk to here. So who is doing what is there, and finding them is very simple. Say for example, I need to find, where's that? Suppose I need to find this lady. So what I will do, I will just copy and I will just post it here. It will find for me. You see? So now I can talk to her. Now
Okay.
she's there. Now you can see to whom she is reporting. Of course, she must be reporting you to the province broker. See, she's reporting to Director Canada. Who is doing what? Who is reporting to whom? So everything is company's internal enterprise system where everybody's linked. All the trainings are there. Everything is there. You can talk to people. You can work with the people. Suppose if I have a referral, Ron, if I have a referral now, EXP is in India also. If I have a referral, I want to give some referral to India. So if I want to find an agent in, say, for example, Mumbai or Delhi or whatever, so or South Africa, because all the agents are connected, and this is just one company. So there is no more franchises. It's not like XYG franchisee one, franchisee two. This is one company. Everybody is the same agent, and everybody has same access. Say, for example, let's find some agent in Mumbai. I would just type Mumbai. So I could put location Mumbai or name Mumbai or whatever. Let me put location Mumbai. So we have so many agents now. So these are the agents in Mumbai. I want to talk to this guy, Chirag Jain. I can click here. What is the time there in India? It tells the time. So that but before you make a call, and also it give you the phone number, direct phone number, is the email ID, and he is reporting to whom, who is his manager. You get access to everything. So you have a single company where all the everything is there. Is so easy, so such a easy way of representing the thing. Then you have a directory of the company, then you have a knowledge library, you have news feed. See, and then you have integrations, lot of integrations. So this is, I'm showing just a one tool, not every tool. So this is one of the tool we use. So let me show you the other one. Then we have enterprise. So let me go to, okay, so before we go there, we have Mindflash. So this is a learning management system. So we get all the courses, whatever we have, we get here. So this is Skyslope basic training. So whatever training you do, you can do your training here, and and you get a certificate once you complete. So this is a learning management system, company's internal. Then we go to our enterprise. And now my EXP word is also ready to open. So let me open that also. And this is such an amazing thing. I'm sure many people have not seen this before. This is the first time many people might be seeing actually. So now this is EXP word. My laptop is little, computer is little old actually, so uh, this is heavy software. Okay, so now we can hear some voice. Okay, so this is EXP word. So it's like, you know, a virtual word where people are there. You can talk to people, you can interact with people. Somebody's there in information desk also. Let me check who is there. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. I think actually seven they leave. Oh, I need to connect it again. There was some today. There's some problem in my internet, I guess. Anyway, so let me connect it again. Okay, before we go there, let me show the other stuff by the time. So I showed you this. So this is enterprise. In enterprise, you could see your rev share, like who has joined with you, what is there, who is there. Like there are 21 agents actually join who are, you know, your direct agent joined with you, who are the people who sponsored whom. So you get access to everything. So like this you get access, like these are the people joined with you, these are people. So this is our team, you know. So who joined whom, who is at this which place, what is happening, who is at this. So you get all the update. So everything is transparent, you know what is happening, what is there. And then whatever transaction you do is there. So we have just moved actually. So so we, our all the deals are in conditional period. We already have done I think 7 8 deals in last 1 week, but they're in conditional period. I will show you how you can see those. So this is exp uh, all details. And now let me show you KV Core, which is actually many people would like to see, which is very interesting software. Mhm. So KV Core is one of the best CRM I have ever seen. I'm using CRMs from last, I think, uh, 8 years now. So this is one of the best CRM. So you have control on of all your buyers. So you can generate, make new campaigns. You can send information. You can do send them tasks, emails, video messages. So it give you control, complete control on the buyer, and you get a, you know, virtual number from where the message goes. If somebody calls this number back, you get the lead back. So that's how it works. And you have control to all the listings. So you have access to get listing, access to all the boards here, including Trab and every board. So all the boards are there, all listings are there. Now you want to talk to, and like you want to say for example, you want to see this listing. So you need not to go to Trab and see the listing agent. You can get listing agent detail directly from your internal panel, and you could send this listing directly to your buyer. You can create their search. So now you get this listing details, listing agent, and this is the direct link to the listing. And if you want to send this by text to any of your buyer, by email, you want to post to Facebook, or you want to promote this listing. So for example, you want to generate leads, just click on boost. You know, just need to is there, is ad is there. You need to do anything else. So you can just change this image or just select the budget. You're done. It's very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. There's no rocket science. And you can, if you want to open it, make it this open house or price reduce, whatever, you know, you want to make this, you can do this. It's ready-made template. So similarly, you have marketing autopilot. So within the team, the benefit you get is, guys, we create template for you. Each and every listing we create a template. You can send directly emails to them. Then we have search alerts, behavior automation. Now what is the behavior automation? So if somebody coming back to your website, or somebody revisit after some days, they get a SMS, they get a notification, they get an email. So this is automatic follow-up which is happening in the CRM. Then we have lead engine to generate new and new leads. Then we have landing page. Then you have lead Dropbox, call capture, bulk import, get more leads. Then this app is a app which you can give to your buyers. And when buyer do something, get a notification. Then we have a CMA builder, open house app. If you want to open a open house, so you get app to organize the open house. This buyer get this app to see the open house. So now we have virtual open house system. So we have both apps. So you get 4 apps. One app for you to manage the CRM, one app for the buyer like Zolo. This is open house app. This is open house hosting app. So you get all these apps free of cost, including the software. Then you have transactions, whatever transaction you do, all details are there. Then you have marketplace, where you know you can have more and more softwares. You have your own website. Whole the team get a website. So everybody in team, they get your personal website. So now uh, this is team website. I'll give you a glimpse of team website. So this is our team website, teamryan.com. And of course, every agent get their own website and they are posted on our website. So this is our team website. Of course, you can make changes whatever way you want. So all the listed and everything, open houses, and so and also on team website there's an option resources. We have another pre-construction portal, and we have the agent roster. So here you have all the team there, and every agent has their own website. So for example, I want to open Atul website, so I can click there and I can see then Atul's website. So every agent get their own website. Every agent get their own. So now if some lead come, they now lead will go directly to Atul. So you can generate your own template. So you get all these things included in your package. Nothing you need to worry about. And then we have a lead management system. So lead routing system. So we can define rules, who is getting lead, from where the lead is coming, where it is going. So it's a complete automated process. We are not controlling that. This is a system driven. If a lead come, where it will go, who will be taking this lead, what would the lead source, like if this lead source, who are the people who are taking the leads. If you want to be in this leads, then of course you need to work on the leads. So that's rule is defined. If you're not working on the leads, then you might not get lead, but if you're working regularly on the lead, you'll keep getting leads. So everything is system driven, automated. You need not to worry about anything. You get lead in your message, email, same time, and then you can call them. So this is the kind of automation we have uh, with our agents, so that every agent get equal preference. So this software might take couple of hours to learn. It's not just 10 minutes I can tell you everything, but this give you a basic idea of KV core. So this is to maintain our leads, our clients, and our website, and which is actually our business. Then we have our some software like Skyslope, which actually uh, make our life easy way for the transaction management. Here we can create templates, ready-made templates, so like the transaction which are going on. So if I upload a transaction, then the somebody from backend review it at the same time. So for example, this transaction going on. So if I now what happens if I so once I submit a paperwork, they review it the same time, and we get revert next day. So let me just show you. Today my internet and computer is little slow. Anyways, okay. So this is when once I put something, they put something. So there's a review when something's complete, then something's read. So you get same time access. So this is our transaction management. Then we get our own personal number team.
Ritesh,
We get yeah.
a quick question on the transaction management. So, let's say if you're working on certain transaction, can you go back to the screen?
Mhm.
So let's
Okay.
say if you have posted something and it is in review, how long do they take to revert?
Normally they take a couple of hours. So now I submitted this today evening. So I should be by morning when I open it, I should be getting it back.
Okay.
Yeah, I think maximum 24 hours, but I normally get reverted in a couple of hours.
Okay.
And they review each and everything. Trust me, like if I show you, if I have make a very small mistake, they even catch that. Like what I did actually, I let me show you the mistake what I did. So so that's a good thing actually. I don't think any other brokerage they do have this kind of thing. So for example, I put this agreement purchase and sale. If you see the mistake what I did, let me show you. It's like a chat. They interact with us, we interact with them. Let me just okay. Uh, See, additional deposit numerical amount doesn't match with the written amount. So what happened actually? I type 100K, but I wrote 200K. So there was a mistake actually, clerical mistake, and they find this in Schedule A, and there was a very small mistake. So it means they review very carefully. Okay, now we have this Ring Central, so all people get access to this. So you get a company number from where you can make calls, which is centralized company number, and you get an extension, so which you can use and you can give to your client. So if some client called exp number directly, this is exp number, I want to talk to you, they need to press 140 and they get directly connected to you. And you can even make call from this Swift system and talk to any client if the call will go through this number. So it feel like you're working from a company's number somebody call your company, you get this call back, and this is vice versa. So this is a call handling system, voicemail system. So you get all access to all this. So a lot of tools actually. So I cannot just keep showing these tools just to make your life simple. You get access to each and everything, whatever possible, to make your life easy. So for example, Broker Bay. I know many of guys might be knowing Broker Bay. This is again an amazing tool for appointment booking, and also here you have a lot of exclusive listings. Here you have a lot of have wants. So this is again a very great tool actually to make your life easy. Now see, this is Broker Bay, exclusive network. This is exclusive network Broker Bay. Then you have your own brokerage listings. Then this is our brokerage listing. Then your brokerage open houses. No, open houses are closed actually, so there's no. Then you have our brokers have and wants. Like if you have something to sell, you have something to ask, so people keep posting here, and you get access to this. So this is within our brokerage. So a lot of things to collaborate, because this is one company. I just said one company, not many companies. So everything is under one roof, have access to each other's listing, contact with other realtors, working with other realtors, and so that you can make more deals together.
Ritesh, I have a quick question regarding Ring Central and
Mhm.
also in KV Core. So you showed us once, when we need to call client, we can do it from KV Core as well, right?
Yeah.
And we also have Ring Central. So is it like two different thing, or it's just gonna be the same, or it is
Okay,
linked?
that's a good question. So basically, when you call from KV Core, the call, okay, so this is a smart number. And now when you call from KV Core, the call goes through our team smart number. Let me show you that number. So if you call from KV Core, you don't it call if you don't want to show client your number. Say for example, sometimes we don't want to show our personal number. The call will go through this number. The good thing about smart number is if somebody call you back, it directly give you the call. It will not know receptionist will pick the phone. It will go directly. So smart number knows if some client is in your CRM. If the client call back anytime to this number, you'll get the call. You'll get the text. Now with when we talk about Ring Central, so Ring Central, the call goes through the company landline number. If somebody call back, it will go to some receptionist, and then you need to tell, I need to talk to Ritesh. Now the purpose is different. This is to make client calls to your clients, your leads, all the people who are your leads. That is there. Sometimes we want to make call from our office so that people know he's calling from the office. So that calls go to the office number. This calls go to the team number. This is a smart number. That's not a smart number. That's back to office number, the landline number. Sometimes we are sitting in office, we want to make from our landline number. That's like that.
Okay,
Mm.
makes sense.
Or this, of course, you can make call from your personal mobile also. But many people don't want to do that. So we have these
Right.
options actually to make your life easy, and so that your personal number is not going, you're still getting the calls.
Okay. Thank you, Ritesh.
Yeah, I think okay. So let's go to the major points. So our vision is for now we have almost grown more than 30 now. Is we are closing now. We're gonna close to 40 very soon. So and 50 very soon. Hopefully by 15 February, our team would be 50, because a lot of people want to join us, and we are in discussion with people. So what we are looking for, we are looking for the people, and our target for 21 is 1 billion sale and 25 million GCI, which is possible only and only when good people come to us and work together. So what we're looking for full-time agent, part-time agent, but we're looking only for the serious people. We're looking for independent agent, the people who are working in teams, the people who have a brokerage, small brokerage, big brokerage, because we have solution for everybody. If you want to work individual, we have a solution. You want to work in a team, we have a team model. I can explain you. If you want to work whatever way you want to work, we have model for everybody. So this is a very flexible brokerage. We have a lot of flexible packages. So you need to tell your situation, and we can find a way accordingly. And if you have a existing team or independent people, then we have model for you guys also. So this is our websites. These are WhatsApp groups. So now I'm ready for more questions if somebody has. And today there's some problem with my exp word. I guess it's not working fine, so guys forgive me about that. So there's some problem going on in this. My internet is not doing well, so I'm not sure. So any more question, we are ready to take. We still have a couple of more minutes. So, or Rohan and Mukta, you want to add something, or you have any questions which can help people to know our system better?
I can add a point where we discussed even today. Ritesh is working on something where he's putting a lot of clauses and he's making templates where if new agents or even some old agents we don't know what to put as good clauses, Ritesh might even show us what we are
Yeah, yeah.
doing and we can use
So
the
we have
template
a
directly.
so we have a software system called DigiSign in Skyslope. Ronio pointed very well. So basically, in those software, we can create templates. And so what we are doing, like for example, we have created template for residential freehold resale offer representing buyer. So there are fixed, all these forms are there. So why to fill all this form again and again? Why not to make a format and say, for example, let me show you. Why not to make a format and put all the clauses beforehand? All these clauses are there, and just send for signature so that the buyer can sign. So it will take just a couple of minutes once you make this kind of offer, because you need to just put buyer's email ID, name, and phone number. Oh, and it's ready to go. So for example, I have this template ready for confidentiality form. So if I create an envelope, and if I want to send to some buyer for signing, I just need to put buyer name and buyer email. That's it. And I just need to click next. It's done. Buyer name is there automatically. Broker is there. Everything is there. I just need to send for signing. Done. Send for signature. Very simple. I would sign it as a agent. Suppose, so I will fill for which purpose it is. I'll sign it. Now buyer get a copy and buyer will sign it. Very simple. See, it saves so much of your time. So basically what we are doing, we are trying to create templates to make your life easy, and the time which you to spend on paperwork, that would be in couple of hours time, would be converted to couple of minutes time. Of course, we would do training. We are doing trainings also, so that the people who are new, they can learn and they can know more about this. Is there any more questions, or if Ron, you want to add anything? Mukta, you want to add anything here?
I think everything you have covered already. So anyone who is planning to join as a new agent, you learn a lot. I mean, whatever you can learn in 4 to 5 years, you learn in 6 to 7 months because of the diversity we have in our team. So I think everything is covered, Ritesh. Thank you for your presentation.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for joining in, and hope to see a couple of you with our team soon. And last thing, what I would like to say, see, we are looking for the like-minded people who want to grow, and whatever you are doing currently with your current brokerage is fine. You keep doing. Here, if you come with us, there is a possibility to do more stuff, because we are doing a lot of new things which you might not have even seen. So anything. If somebody is serious, want to make good money, want to be the part of team and system, and want to learn, want to bring your own team, so we are most welcome. We have all the models. So you can in touch with the Mukta, or you can in touch with the person who has invited you to take it forward. This was a very quick presentation, because we wanted to explain everything in brief, but of course we can sit with you and discuss your particular situation, and we can make a plan for you. So thank you very much, guys, for joining in, and hope to see you soon with us very soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, Baran.